about to win, then suddenly disconnected. That's a DDoS attack. And if you're a gamer, you're a target. Here's how to protect yourself in under 3 minutes. So, what is a DDoS attack? It's when someone floods your internet with fake traffic until it crashes. Result? Lag, disconnects, or total internet blackout. How do hackers get your IP address? Peer-to-peer games expose your IP to other players. Clicking random links in chat, some are IP grabbers. And angry opponents who want revenge after losing? Here's how to stay protected. Number 1. Use Astrill VPN. It hides your real IP. Attackers can't hit what they can't see. Fast speeds, 50+ server locations, built-in kill switch perfect for gaming. Number 2. Never click random links. Number 3. Enable the kill switch so your IP is never exposed. Number 4. Restart your router if you think your IP has been leaked. Get Astrill VPN link in the description. Hide your IP. Game in peace. Like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.